Hey guys, it's Steve and Chrissy with another It's Just For You reviews. So today we're featuring our messy garage, but more importantly, the garage door opener. In here we have two Chamberlain garage door openers, and here's the best part about them. They have Wi-Fi. So we have, of course, the regular garage door opener button like this, and we also have an app on our phone that tells us, number one, the status of the door and to also control it. So Chris, if you can close that door from the app, you'll hear several beeps because it's giving a warning. Because if you're pushing that button, there's somebody in the garage. They need some kind of a warning. It's about to close. So there it goes, closing. So this can be controlled from anywhere as long as you've got internet and the Wi-Fi in your home is up. You can control your garage doors from anywhere in the world. So that's all I've got. The link will be in the description below. Love this unit. Oh, and these have been in place for approximately 2 years. Flawless.
Yep. Love them.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.